My girls got me up to right now. It is snowing. Queens, New York. Project, baby. It looks so beautiful out here right now.
Hey!
It's Kaylee.
Hi guys! It's a snow day! Snow! Look at this big kind of snow! Stop!
What are you making, a snowman?
Yeah. I'm gonna need...
Gonna make a snow angel.
I tried to make a heart.
Yeah, how you gonna make a heart? This is Katie's snow angel.
And this is Kelsey's snow angel. My snow angel!
Be careful, mark the way. Katie.
This is my snow angel!
I see, I did it already. Jaylene, what are you doing?
Hey guys, if you go to the beach, you can make a sand angel. You know that, right? I don't think it's gonna work though, guys. I just found something really good.
What you found? Where you going?
Kaylee! Mom, I got a great idea. Kaylee, look.
What? Oh my goodness.
She was gonna get me with that.
That's huge.
I know. Yeah.
How you miss?
It got me. I bet.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Miss me.
Run. You gotta run. You have to run.
Got you. It got in my eye.
How it got in your eye?
Get it!
Really?